So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So guys, if you are here to know what are keyloggers and how they can be detected and removed from your device, and basically how you can stay safe from hackers to steal your information through typing strokes or keystrokes. But before guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go first and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. So let's begin. So what is keylogger? So in the simple language, keyloggers are a special type of software who records or maintain your keystrokes which you type into a website or application and send it back to a third party who developed this software. This is one of the oldest form of cyber threat, but it can be dangerous now also. Keylogger can be used by criminals, businesses and by law. Criminals uses keyloggers to steal personal or financial information such as banking details, and businesses use this to troubleshoot, improve user experience or monitor employees. And law enforcement intelligence agencies use keyloggers to closely observe, especially of a suspected spy or criminal. So how do keyloggers work? Keyloggers collect information and send it back to a third party, whether that is criminal, law or an IT department. Keyloggers that monitor or record keystrokes through pattern recognition and other techniques. Keyloggers are of different types, but the most basic forms may only collect the information typed into a single website or application. Some other type of keylogger, especially targeting mobile apps and record information such as both calls history and audio, information from message application, GPS location, screen grabbing, and even microphone and camera capture. Keyloggers can hardware or software based. Hardware based ones can simply injected between the keyboard connector and computer's port, and software based are the whole application or tools which you are using or malware unknowingly infecting your device. So let's talk about keyloggers workspace. Keyloggers can be used for legal purpose also, like legal keylogging apps being used by people to spy on their family, friends and partners. Here is also a keylogger named corporate keylogger. Such keyloggers can be useful in testing, debugging and user experience. Like there is an extension named Grammarly, a popular spelling and grammar tool which helps you to correct your typed word or spelling. It has been described as a keylogger with useful features due to the fact it records what the user types while it is activated. So now let's talk about how to detect and remove keyloggers. Here are here are 5 practices for detecting and removing keyloggers. Keep antivirus and anti-rootkit up to date, as keyloggers often are embedded with other forms of malware. Up-to-date antivirus protection and anti-rootkit protections will remove known keylogger malware. And the second is use anti-keylogger software. Dedicated anti-logger software is designed to encrypt keystrokes as well as scan and remove known loggers and mark unusual keylogging like behavior on the machine. Blocking root access for unauthorized applications and blacklisting known spyware apps will also help. And the third point is consider virtual on-screen keyboards. Virtual on-screen keyboards reduce the chance of being keylogged as they input information in a different way to physical keyboards. This might impact user productivity, and it is not foolproof against all kinds of keystrokes monitoring software. And the fourth point is disable self-running files on external devices. Disabling self-running files on external connected devices such as USBs and restricting copying of files from external computer may also reduce the possibility of infection. And the last point is observing suspicious activity. Recognizing odd occurrences such as key pausing or not displaying on screen when typing can help individuals detect key loggers in certain cases. So guys, I hope you have got some value from this video, and if you have got any value from this video, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for more awesome content. And if you have any suggestion, then please tell me in the comment section. So see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.